Hello everyone, I am Binita Joshi. Welcome to the second episode of Lippan Art tutorial. To draw Lippan Art design on MDF board, it is very important and first step is to find the center of the board. Now, to find the center of the board, in this video I will show you two different techniques. Let's get into it. I am using 8-inch MDF board with 4 mm thickness. Now take a newspaper and cut it exactly the size of the base. Fold it in half and fold it again to make quarter of the circle. Fix the quarter to the board like this. Mark the tip of the quarter as our center. In this method, there is a chance of error while making the center. If the center is not perfect, it can ruin the design. So the solution is cut the tip slightly, open the paper and place it on the base. You have your perfect center. Technique 2. Draw a line of any length at the border of the board and mark the center of the line. Now draw another line at some distance and do the same. Put protractor at center of one of the lines and mark like this. Repeat the same thing with the other line. Now our center is where both the lines cross. Both techniques give us the same result, so you can use any of this as per your convenience. It's very easy. If you learn these techniques, you will never find difficulty in drawing Lippan art or mandala art. So which technique is easier for you? Let me know in the comments. Check out my first video for Lippan art basic material. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Lippan art tutorials. See you soon.